These fresh pineapples arrived early this morning.
We process thousands of tons of field-fresh pineapples daily. The raw pineapples head straight into the facility. Every single batch is manually inspected right here. High-pressure water jets thoroughly wash the exterior shells.
The fruit is sorted by size to ensure a perfect cut.
This machine trims the shell and cores the pineapple instantly. The leftover skins are sent to be processed into animal feed. Our team hand trims every piece to remove remaining blemishes.
A series of precision blades slices the fruit into perfect rings. Only the most perfect, uniform rings make it to the canning line. Every tin can is steam cleaned before entering the clean zone.
Mechanical fingers pack exactly 4 slices into each tin.
The cans move directly to the liquid filling station.
We top the fruit with a hot, clear sugar syrup.
Steam removes trapped air to preserve the natural golden color. A high-speed seamer double wraps the lids completely airtight. The sealed cans are cooked under pressure to ensure long-term shelf life. A cold water bath brings the cans down to storage temperature.
Powerful air sheets dry the metal surfaces completely before labeling. Branded labels are applied automatically at high speeds.
Every single can is scanned to guarantee package perfection. Each unit is stamped with a precise tracing code for quality control. This batch will produce 50,000 cans of premium fruit.
Premium canned pineapple slices, packed fresh and ready for the store shelves.